Apart from using an input function, we can use another way to prompt users for our data. Now, a Python file is what we refer to as a script. And every time we run this script, for example, if I print hello and save, when I run this, I'll say Python and then say um, argument variables.py. Our script is an argument to the Python command. So let's try also passing in variables. So we can run this script and provide other variables. We are going to use a module called sys in Python. I'm going to first remove that and we're going to import sys. So we're going to import sys. And after importing sys, we are going to specify the variables that we are going to pass within our that we're going to pass in as arguments. For example, we can say first, then second, then third, and we say that this is going to be sys dot argument variable. Then after doing this, we can print them. So we can say print. So I'm going to use an string still. So this is going to be print first. Actually, the first argument is going to be the name of the file. So we can print say name this file and then put in the name. So it's going to be this is going to be sys dot argv0, which is the first argument. So we can say the first variable and then can put in first. Let me first correct this. Input my double quote here. We can also print f and then say second variable. So we can specify that this is going to be a second variable. Then we can print f and then you can say this is going to be our third variable. Now when we save this, we are going to run this by saying Python argument variables.py. Now when we don't pass in any variables, it tells us not enough values to unpack. So let's try providing some variables. So we can say Python argument variables.py. Then we can say Jonah 12 and 13. And when we pass this, it's saying that too many values to unpack. It's expected 3, but we provided more than 3. So let's try again. So when we pass in this, it's going to print our first variable as the argument variable, as the name of the file, and Jonah as a second variable, then the third variable will be 12. And what we notice here is that the name of the file is always the first variable, and the second variable will be the first argument that we pass, and the third variable will then be the second.